Hi guys, good morning,
Hi guys!
good afternoon.
Bakit bago na naman?
Hi guys!
Inilipat ko lang. Mga estudyante.
Late na ko.
Ayan, dami estudyante. Atin natin si Mami Coco. Hi Marta, where are you? Show yourself. Where? See? Like this. See? Marta.
What's up, mommy?
Tignan natin si Mami Coco sa oras ng alas 6. 49. 49, no? 50 na.
Late na nga eh.
Hindi, sakto lang. Hi Marta! We're going to supermarket?
Yeah!
Oh no.
Well, mommy had to work. I'm going to the supermarket.
You are not good.
Nagutok mo na.
William. Hi guys. Ayan.
Go!
Shit, ano ba? Di masana ka.
Grabe gasolina, 154 na ako tumataas. Tumataas ang gasolina.
Daddy!
133 pa siya eh. 154 oh. Laki ng iso.
Dahil lang sa away nila.
So, pero samantalang yung ano dito yung source of oil. Maraming langis dito sa ano. Ha?
Binomba na yung source of oil. Saan ba yun?
Yeah. Market. Supermarket. What we will do to the supermarket? Toy? We have a lot of
I'll
toys.
buy two.
The house. Who will pay the toys? Hopefully those toys is too much. Only after buy you put there, nobody play because you only watching iPad. What is this? A train pa, dumating train.
Wow! Daddy!
Yeah,
I see McDonald's.
McDonald.
There!
Where?
Side.
Okay. McDonald?
Look, train!
Train's coming. Approaching train. From the left. Yeah. What color of the train?
See?
Wow, very
Specific siya.
good. Good.
Nakita niya pa yung blue na yun, ha?
Oh, another train from other side. Marta.
Saan kaya ako? Last minute ako nag-
Na nga. Look, daddy, look.
Look, look.
Always look, daddy, look.
Daddy, I wanna go at the supermarket.
Supermarket. Kanina nag-snow, pero hindi gaano.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, baby. Mommy will work na.
Oh,
Goodbye, Marta.
Why, Marta?
wow.
See you later, baby. See you later, baby.
See you tomorrow.
I'm waving.
Yeah, waving. Show yourself.
Okay.
Mas
Good.
makalimutan ko mag-message kay ano, kay Alina.
I see my
Message mo na ngayon.
See, Yayuk. Yayuk. I see myself.
I saw.
I saw myself.
You saw yourself? Yeah.
Daddy, look.
Hi.
Look at this.
Look at this.
I see myself.
You saw yourself?
Ayan.
Kabalo ka na gid magsalita.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye. Where are you going?
Turuan mo magtagalog yan.
Bye-bye.
Para kung
Ito, sa likod mo.
makakig sa iya, balaan niya ang Tagalog. Asus, may naghulat na naman sa ako. Nasa kanan. Oh, to. Nakapula nga po nito. Oh.
Kung dumani.
Bye-bye,
Baka may ano yan.
Bye-bye, baby.
Ingat, ingat, ingat.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, daddy.
Pingat. Daddy,
Let's
wanna
go.
go at the supermarket.
Ha?
Wanna go supermarket. Wanna go at the supermarket.
Let's go.
Dad, can I go at the supermarket?
We're not going to the supermarket.
I wanna go.
Tomorrow.
Hey, I wanna go.
Tomorrow.
No.
Tomorrow.
I
Oh.
said, no, I want supermarket.
It's sunny. Sunny day.
I wanna go.
What you want to buy in supermarket? Only toy.
I wanna buy bag.
Bag?
Yeah.
We have plenty of bags. Mhm. Tomorrow we will wake up 5 a.m. in the morning. Okay, we sleep early tonight, okay?
Where not to going?
You're going to your friends. You remember the name of your friends?
Brothers.
Brothers? What the name? What the name of the brothers? Hmm? What the name of your that sister?
Kakak.
Sis Miriam? You remember Miriam?
No, kakak.
And train is coming. Train is coming. Train is coming. Yeah. Now the bar, what you call this? Barrier is, it's going down. See the barrier? Oh, it's closed.
Why is closed?
Yeah, because there's a train approaching. From the right? Yeah, from the right. You see the lights flashing? See? Train?
Yeah, look.
Look.
The train is coming.
Trains pass. Train already passed now. It's opening. And then let's go.
Can I go now?
Yeah, it's green.
Shopping now? Shopping now? Can I go?
The light is green. What it means?
Go.
Go. What
Can I
if?
go there?
What if the light is red?
Can I go there?
Where?
Can I go there?
Where?
There?
Oh no. Here. Stop again.
Can I go there?
You see mahal-mahal ng gasolina, oh. 154. 154.9. Actually, ano yan eh. $1.54.9. So parang nasa 65 pesos, right? 60 something. 60 to 70 pesos per liter. Grabe yung araw. Ano si Lolong. traffic light sa kabila. After this, go. After this one, let's go. Yan, palakasan ng loob. White road. Walang rabbit. You see any rabbit?
Where, Daddy?
No,
Where?
I'm asking you if do you see any rabbit?
Where's rabbit, Daddy?
Nothing.
Oh, I saw it.
You
I
saw it?
it happen.
Where?
There.
There?
Other side.
No, there's nothing.
I saw it.
You saw it? White road. Let's go.
With Gaga.
Let's go home.
With
What do you want to eat now?
only
Huh? Chicken.
only eat Daddy.
Daddy? What you want? Show yourself. Where are you? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay, we need to stop to close that trunk. Let's go. Marta kasi.
Daddy.
Yes, baby.
Daddy.
Yes, baby. Negative. Sa labas, negative 8. Mga negative 12. Something like that. Feels like negative 8. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. See? Bye-bye guys.
Bye, Daddy.
Daddy. You eat rice and
And Daddy.
chicken nuggets, okay?
Daddy.
Okay?
And Daddy.
And we will sleep early.
And Daddy.
Because tomorrow morning you wake up at
And Daddy.
5
Daddy.
forward. Parking tayo kasi yung both mirror na moist. Hindi na makita. Kailangan masyado siyang heated yung sasakyan natin. Short travel lang. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
The comments.
And comments. Please like,
Like,
subscribe
subscribe,
and
and
comment
comment.
down below.
There we go.
Bye bye.